We'll guide you through how to create wave background in Figma with the pen tool. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application and wait for it to load completely. Next, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the results page. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Figma account so you can access all design features and project files. After signing in, the Figma main page will load in your browser. To create a wave background in Figma with the pen tool, start a new file by clicking the plus design button on the dashboard. The editing page of your project will open and display a blank canvas where you can create your design. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and use it to draw a shape on the canvas. Click, hold, and drag your cursor until the rectangle reaches the size you need for your background. Once the shape has been created, double-click on it to enter editing mode. Next, press the P key on your keyboard to activate the pen tool. Begin placing several points along the edge of the rectangle where you want the wave effect to appear. These points will act as anchors that can be adjusted to form curved wave patterns. After creating the necessary points, click the pen tool and start dragging the points you added. Move them up, down, or sideways as needed until the edge of the rectangle forms a smooth wave shape. Take your time adjusting the points until the curve looks natural and matches the style you want. When you are satisfied with the result, close the editing menu to exit editing mode. To enhance the background design, copy and paste the shape you just edited. Drag the duplicated shape slightly downward, then change its color to create contrast and make the layers easier to distinguish.